Hi guys, welcome to my TV. In this video, I would like to share to you uh, how to install Kinemaster complete version. Complete version. This is free. Um, it is not from the App Store, but it is working in my phone. Actually, I I tried to install applications, Kinemaster applications from different third party stores, uh, but I get a negative result. Okay, so my I hope, and I was able to download from one site. I forgot on what's the name of the site, but the application file is still in my phone, so I would like to share it to you. This is working for Android phones with Android version 11. Check natin guys, check ko muna yung anong version ng Android ano yung sa akin, kasi nag-work yung Kinemaster ko eh. Ito Android 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 version 11. So this Kinemaster application guys will work in all Android version 11. Okay, so again guys, yung application file ini-upload ko sa Google Drive ko para ma-access ninyo, ma ma-access ninyo at ma-install niyo sa phone niyo yung Kinemaster, yung ano, yung complete version na hindi na tayo magbabayad-bayad. Okay, so first ganito guys, ito yung Kinemaster guys, ito again, this is working to my phone. Actually I have Vivo V20 2021, so it is working guys. So the Kinemaster is working. This is the video editor. I like this video editor. So it is working guys. You can create new there. So, and the application file is here. I will show it to you. The application file is right here. Oops. Here. This is the application file, and I will upload this into my Google Drive so that you can access and download this to your phone. Again, in my experience, this app works to the phones with Android 11 version softwares, operating system na. Okay, so I will try to see guys if so uploaded is one file is uploaded. Now I'm going to check the Google Drive if it is there, my drive. Okay, so recent here. So here's the application file guys. Going to share this to you so that everyone will enjoy. Share there, not shared. So let's change the restriction. Anyone with link? Okay, viewer, no, yes, only viewer. Anyone with link, let's copy the link. Okay, then I will paste the link in the description guys, in the description below of this video, so that you can access my Google Drive and download the file. Okay, so I hope this video helps you in your problem, because before I encountered this kind of problem, because I really like Kinemaster video editor, so I really find a way to install it on my phone. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Again, I will leave the link in the description below. Just access this and enjoy, guys. Enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.